Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe and click the little notification bell, that way you never miss out on another free reading here on my channel. Again, I upload free readings on my channel every single Friday, so you can make sure to come back every single Friday and click the notification bell, that way you don't miss the video. But anyways, in today's video, we're going to be seeing what's in store for you for the rest of November 2018. So you're going to pick card number 1, 2, or 3, or you're going to pick the citrine crystal, the labradorite crystal, or the rose quartz crystal. Before we get started, I am making a fresh new batch of my cleansing spray because I have just a few left in my store, and I get requests for this all the time. Basically, this is a spray that I use to cleanse negative energy in my space, my home, my kitchen, my car, just my body, everywhere. I make this at home, and if you guys want to make it at home, oh sorry, you guys can see I'm wearing my onesie, it's super cold, but you can make this at home, and I have a video that I will leave linked down below showing you how to make it. You can use, well, what's in here is roses and sage. Roses lift the vibration of the area, and sage clears out all the negativity. Now, the reason that I sell my own is because I make this with a special ingredient that's very, very powerful in taking away negative energy and then drawing in what you want to attract. And also, I have this charged with a very powerful mantra over 1,000 times, and I'll show you a clip of how I do that right here. But basically, I sell that in my shop, which I will leave linked down below, or you guys can make this at home yourself, and I'll leave that video linked down below too. So anyways, we wasted enough time. Let's get on to the reading. For everybody that picked card number 1 or the citrine crystal, let's go ahead and see what is going on for the rest of November for you. Okay. So, we have surrender to the beauty of the natural world. Take a relaxing break and spend some time in nature. Replenish yourself by feeling the beauty and the ecstasy there. I love this. The next card is transparency. Honest, authentic, genuine, and present. There's a lot going on right there that I will get into. And then wise leader. You are a beacon for others. Okay. So for the rest of November, it's saying that you should really take time out for yourself and take time out to be in nature. I know that it is like the holidays are coming, and you know it's going to be a very busy time, but I feel like within this busy time period, you need to take time out for yourself and just relax your mind and relax your body and relax the chatter in your brain. Now, transparency. You need to start speaking up towards the end of November. Really stand your ground on, you know, your values, and like know when to say no and know when to say yes. Basically, if you want to say no to something, say it. Don't be so, you know, afraid to say no to people and things. Be transparent and be honest. Communicate more towards the end of November. Communication is a big thing, like with people in your life, with your coworkers, your boss, with your children, with your significant other, with your best friend, whoever it may be. There's a lot of communication that will happen. There's a lot of communication that will come about, and this is going to be a really, really good thing, because bonds will get stronger. Not only bonds will get stronger, but through this communication and through you being honest and genuine, through you like expressing how you feel even more, people are going to start seeing you as a leader. People are going to really look up to you, and you're going to become an inspiration, and like the advice that you give and just the way that you present yourself when you speak your truth is really going to inspire whoever this communication is with. Like, there's going to be one person or several people in your life that you're going to really open up to, and they're going to open up to you, and you're going to really, really help them. And so maybe this is a reason that you got surrendered to the natural world, because you're going to need like a timeout, because you're going to be helping and other people, and you're going to be connecting with some other people. It's going to kind of, you're gonna need to recharge your energy, and so being out in nature and just relaxing your mind and your brain and your body, it's really, really gonna help you like bounce back up and get your energy back. So that's what's going on for you for the rest of November. If you guys want to go more in detail, then go ahead and visit my website, which I will leave linked down below, and you guys can purchase more readings over there. But for everybody that picked card number 2, the labradorite stone, let's see what's going on with you. Okay, so you guys got the joy and delight. Open your heart to joy, okay? And then you got divine sensuality, which is the theme of this card, is making love and erotica. And then surrender to trust. Trust yourself and your decisions. Don't be swayed by other people's strong opinions about what to do. Take action and be confident that you have chosen the right path. It's really funny that this card said the word confident, because this card is all about sexual confidence and confidence in your body, confidence in your sensuality, confidence in your sexuality, and then joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. So basically what's going to happen for the end of November for you is that you're going to really come into being more confident. Something is going to happen. Somebody's going to pay you compliments, or just something or someone will give you a confidence boost in a way where you're going to feel confident in the way that you look. And not only that, but your whole like sexuality is going to kind of ignite. And the cards are saying surrender to trust. When somebody pays you a compliment, which they will towards the end of November, you're going to be noticing a lot of people paying you more compliments. A lot of people are going to be seeing this new energy in you, and this new energy is very vibrant and very sexy, and people are going to see that. And you need to trust when somebody gives you a compliment. Trust it. Don't just think that, you know, they're just being nice. They're actually genuinely giving you a compliment, and what you need to do is accept the compliment and, you know, accept it and feel it. That somebody tells you that you look beautiful today, you really accept it, and don't just think that they're saying that just to be nice to you. And that's how you open your heart to joy, because you're letting that in. You're letting that compliment in. Now, this is also saying that you need to trust yourself more. Whenever you need to make a decision, and you might be coming across making a few decisions towards the end of November, really trust yourself and your gut. It's okay to get other people's opinions and thoughts and their experiences regarding what you're going through, but always make the choice for yourself. Don't be swayed by somebody else's opinion, or like a religious tradition or somebody else's values. Really think about your own decision, your own feelings, your own values, and go about your decisions based off of that. So that's what's going on for the end of November for you. There's a lot of confidence and good energy around you. I hope you enjoyed this reading and it resonated. If you guys want to go more in detail, go ahead and visit my shop. You guys can purchase more readings over there. Okay, so if you picked card number 3, this is a rose quartz stone. Let's go ahead and see what's going on for the month of November for you. So, Voyage of the Heart, Visions, and Surrender Worry. Let me move this just a little bit so you guys can see. Okay. Voyage of the Heart. Love flows through you and to you. Visions, psychic images, clairvoyance, seeing, out-of-body travel, and surrender worry. Make a commitment not to lead an anxiety-driven life. When worries arise, breathe them out of your body. Focus on the power of your heart and have faith that Spirit is guiding you always. Okay. The end of November is really you getting signs and signals from your own gut. You're gonna, like, this inner voice is going to be nudging you about something towards the end of November, and listen to that inner voice. Listen to the nudge. My favorite quote from this poet named Rumi is, respond to every call that excites your spirit. I love that quote so much that I got it tattooed on my body, so that it's just engraved in the way that I live. And I feel like that's a big message over here, is for you to really respond to every call that excites your spirit, and also respond to the nudges and the intuition and the inner guidance that you get, because you will be getting them towards the end of November. It's going to take you like into a voyage of your heart. It's really going to open your heart. It's going to make you feel a lot of love and warmth. Your energy towards the end of November is going to be like very loving. There's going to be a lot of love around you. Another thing is you tend to get over anxious and worry a lot, and this is something you dealt with for a long time. But towards the end of November, I feel like the love that's going to come to you and the love that you're going to be surrounded with is really going to help you surrender a lot of the worry and stress you have. So I hope that makes you excited for the end of November. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to book a reading with me, go ahead and book on my website, which I will leave linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribed and click the bell, and stay tuned, because every single Friday I have a brand new reading here on my channel. So make sure you come back here every single Friday, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.